Hello Internet. Today I want to remove AC panel from Citroen C5 and I'm going to show you how to do it. First you want to put your gearbox into drive to get some room here. Then you need tools to remove the radio. I already unplugged it because I was doing some CAN stuff for other project. And what we're going to do is take out the radio. The best way is to unplug the quad plug and antennas and display cable, but I don't want to do that. So what we have two metal clips here and here. Also the metal clips are here and here, and then we got two plastic ones here and one here. So the bottom ones are easy. You just pull this, it should unclip. The other one from the other side, it's already gone. The plastic one here are more tricky. We can use some spudgers. Just want to go here and pull. Maybe we can do the top one first. It's hard to tell. As you can see, it's moving here, but it's held here. It's moving here and it's held here. And the same thing, it's moving here and it's held here. Or maybe we can put something like this and pull. Then you can try to go up. Unclip it. And then I can go on the other side and put my hand here. Okay. I think the plastic clips are holding. I just want to push them in. Oh, that's the way. And now we try to do the same. Oh, so you can see the plastic ones, the metal ones. And here is the plastic one. So now we can move it all out. We have 4 screws here, here, and also here and over there. So it's a Torx T10 or 15. I don't know, but I have T10 and it's okay. So you just go like that. Like that. It's better to have a shorter one or just to remove the radio, but I don't want to set the time again, so I will just do it this way. And the last one is over there. And the AC panel is more or less loose. Oh, so I got the broken plug. It's not great. Here you can remove the plugs. And the problem is that the plugs are going through the AC panel. I don't know if they are screwed or just stuck. I think we're going to find out. Okay, these are press fitted. We'll just so you can just easily pry them out. Probably would be better to pry them from both sides. I don't know if I can do it. One from the bottom, one from the top. Not really. I don't know why they have to make it so hard. So this one, I think I can just remove the tape. So it's okay. So this is just press fitted, so this we should be able to pry. We can get something under there. Okay. I think I will just remove the tape because I don't know how to. Why this doesn't want to budge. Can also unplug the panel. There should be 3 plugs. The only thing is this metal clip. And we're done. So I want to do the widescreen mode. And also want to read the EEPROM to see if you can change the left hand drive to right hand drive. Just put this mess back, more or less. And we are good.